G'day gang, how you going? Skypilot here. In case you weren't aware, it's Black Friday and there are mega savings to be had. So if you guys are looking at getting into the FPV hobby or wish to make a purchase from Banggood, I've left a link to my spreadsheet, which is chockers with coupons. From that spreadsheet page, you can actually see how much money you're saving as well. So there are two promotion pages here full of goodies. I'm just going to run through a couple of them for you today, guys, so it will give you an idea of exactly how much money you can save, and at the same time grab yourself an absolute bargain. So we're looking at things like the Beta FPV 85X. Said hunt through, see if there's anything you like. We've got things on offer here with huge savings. The Beta FPV, the iFlight Nazgul, got the Eachine Civitar, 6% off. As you can see, you get the idea, guys. So there's $30 Australian off of the iFlight Chimera long range. That's a fabulous little unit. Something for everybody, something for the beginners. We've got beginner kits here. There's nearly $100 savings on this Eachine Novice 3, which is a fabulous little starter kit. 21% off. I don't think you're going to see prices like this again for some time, so hop in while you can. The Eachine AE65, 27% off. The old classic Mobulus 7. I still fly my Mobulus 7. $137, that's a bargain. I've actually just bought this one for myself, the Crux3, $139, 15% off, fabulous. We've got a TX16S, $229, $60 off. The old classic QX7 transmitter, normally around the $270 mark, $146, what a bargain. And of course, all your bits and pieces are in this sale as well. XM Plus, these are normally around $28. The RXSR receiver as well. Some radios. Guys are looking at upgrading your radio, $234, normally around $300. It's 23% off. So that's just a quick rundown, guys. So when you open up the spreadsheet, have a dig around. You'll see a potential product and a main promotion page down here. Just find a unit that you're interested in, the iFlight Nazgul for example. Head over here to the URL, click on it, and you are up and running. Don't forget to select your receiver and go save some money. And if we can get some more people flying into the sky with this sale, it would be fabulous. I'll leave you guys to it. Happy hunting. If there's anything that you want that you can't see here in this sale, please drop me a message and I will seek and find it for you so that you guys can all benefit from these cool sales. Happy shopping, gang. Take care. See you real soon.